Alright, you can see we got a tailgate hatch right here on a 09 Plus Honda Pilot. It's missing a door handle. We'll be installing this part from the back to the front with this new inner half, and then here's the outer half right there. We're gonna have to take out this old one here first with 4 or 5 bolts right there. Alright, let's take out this bolts right here. Just gonna 6 of them in here. One's missing already. This one is stripped, and that one is loose. We gotta quickly take them out. There's a touch button switch right here. I don't know if this thing will work, but we're gonna take it out and then put it on the new one. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'll toss this one away. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Goes like that. Alright guys, so I put 3 bolts already here, and this is the 4th one. I put anti-seize on this bolt so they won't get rust. It's easy to take them out next time, and then just gonna hold them tight. There you go, nice and snug, everything. It looks good. It looks like it's gonna hold. And then there's 2 more right there. This one is the inside of this nut is shot. It's gone. So it's gonna screw that one on this side right here. Alright, before we install this outside handle, I'm just gonna take out the push pin retainers on the old handle that broke. There's a big fat one and there's a skinny one. So the fat one goes on the outside. The skinny one goes in here. Same thing on the other side. And skinny one goes in the middle. Just like that. Alright guys, so before we install this handle here, we're gonna have to put a screw in a J-nut right here. So it's better to get one from the Honda dealer, get the right one, but right now it's Saturday and it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. They're closed, so we're just gonna have to use what we have in the garage. So J-nut right here, self-tapping screw. It's better to get a longer one. This is all I got that would fit on here, so better to get a longer one, but this is okay for now. It looks like it's gonna hold tight. So install this to the hatch and let's see how it looks like. You can see there's the bolt right there installed, nice and snug. This is all I got in the garage, so I had to improvise what I have. It would be nice to get a part from Honda dealer to get the right part, but this is all I got. This is what I can do with this handle here. Install the handle, but it's pretty nice and snug. It's solid. Look at that. See, it's pretty nice and solid, so looks like it's a fix. It holds. Perfect. Right there is a bolt. That's all I got. Bolt right there. 2 bolts that hold that handle nice and solid, and the rest is just a push pin retainer. It'll be nice to get a longer bolt and bigger head, so more surface contact. But that's it guys. That's how you install that handle on the Honda Pilot. Your rear hatch handle, nice and solid. Perfect. Next we'll be putting all those interior panels on the side of the hatch and then the center back here. That's easy. We'll do that in off video and then I'll show you the final result after. This guy, he wants me to fix this, but oh my god, look at this. There's a hole already. There's no way to fix this thing up. He just wants me to make it pretty, better than what it looks like right now. So I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Maybe just put like a reinforced bracket at the back, so this thing is This thing holds a camera and license plate bulb here, so this thing got nothing to do. Purpose is to hold those bulbs. And I was gonna put something at the back here, like a bracket, and then screw it down so that it's nice and solid. Same thing on this side, but other than that, it's all ready to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up on this video. See you guys again on the next one.